In this video, I will show you how to integrate Microsoft Teams with Zoho Desk. First, log into your Zoho account. Next, click on Settings at the top right corner of your screen. Once you're in your settings board, scroll down to the Integration section and click on Microsoft. From here, click on Microsoft Teams and then select Add-on Visit App Source. You will be redirected to another tab to open Microsoft App Source where the integration can be added. However, depending on your account setup or location, you might see a restriction message indicating that the app isn't available in your region. If that happens, you can try changing your region settings or reach out to Zoho support to request access for your account. And that's how to integrate Microsoft Teams with Zoho Desk.